So today I'm about to replace the exhaust system in this Nissan Pathfinder. The reason being, you can see like a hole right here. This hole, and then the pipe after the muffler is all gone, rusted. So the muffler look like that. No pipe, nothing. I'm about to replace it like from the catalytic converters all the way back. And this is how it looks like. But the way this is a 2010 Nissan Pathfinder. So before I start, let me show you how it sounds. Hear that? But most of the air is escaping from here, and then in the back, I don't know. But that's why I'm replacing it. It's really loud. So this is how it looks before. The whole pipe here after the muffler is gone. You can see like that's the muffler there. There is some holes before that. So this is before. This is the part. The catalytic converter, the converter, and the rest is just empty. Empty all the way. Well, there is this piece I need to get out, but I took it off